So for today's drawing, I will do one straight line and then I will find the middle point, my plus sign. This is the top and this is the bottom. So I will leave little bit of space and mark over here. Same thing I will do here. Now from here to here, I'm going to draw one tilted line. And I will do plus sign here. And I will start from here and try to go kind of like not really circle. Think like it's a square shape. And let's erase this straight line and make it really light. So this plus sign has to be here and this one has to be here. Under this line I will draw alphabet C or D, you can think. Don't make it really curvy, just slightly here and slightly here. Over here I can draw one circle. Here I can draw one circle. And then mouth will be here. We are going to start from here, this point, and this is the middle point. If I will see this and this is almost middle here. So when you are going here, draw sad face and then come out with the smiley. Start from here and go all the way here with the smiley face. And from here to here we have to go with the smiley. If you feel it's really big, you can pull this one a little bit more up and then go all the way with the smiley. And this is the ear, this is the ear. So at the end of the ear here and end of the ear here, we are going to make another line. And let's erase the first one. So this is the middle point. So I will take 2 points over here and make it a skinny curvy line like a side face. And I will take 1 point here, 1 point here, and I will curve it. Now on the top of over here you can draw eyebrows. So this is the middle line. I will pick 1 point here and 1 point here. From here I will pull this line a little bit down here. This one also I will pull straight down here and I will curve this one. So this is the basic shape I got. Now I will adjust this one. So this one looks really skinny right now. So I will start from here and I will curve this one this way and connect over here. Let me erase this one. This line also I will go and make it a little bit curvy. You can do this direction or this direction, totally up to you. Sometimes what happens when you are drawing the dress, you can draw small or big. So little bit to do really accurate. From here to here, I will find the middle point and I will draw the line. So I will not think like I can go all the way here. So instead of here, I will make a mark here and try to draw curvy line. And from here, I will go and try to draw curve here too. So like that and like this side too. You don't need this eraser. I'm using this eraser so you can see which line I'm erasing. Now I'm going to start from here so I can make a dot here and one here for the leg. It looks really thick, so you can adjust your point like this much. And from here I will start and I will go and cross, so you can see my triangle over here. And once it's coming this side, it will go straight here and then it will go this direction. Right now it's angled here, straight but angled, right? And then it will turn and it will go down like this. Here we can draw alphabet U shape and then from here this is also kind of tilted, and I will go and turn this one like alphabet U here. Now I'm going to pick one point from here. Over here, this line is coming here, and it's going all the way straight down here. Means angle, but a straight line, no curve. And from here, I will not make a really big U, a small U, kind of like a candy cane style. This will go straight here, and then it will turn, and it will go this direction. So you can see its leg is coming here, then this, and this will go all the way down like this. This looks really big to me, so I will make this one a little bit small. So this tiny one, and then I will pull it here. From here to here we can curve. Same thing here we can curve this one like alphabet U. This one looks skinny, so I will pull this one a little bit up. So by looking, you have to adjust all these things. And here we can do alphabet X. Here we can do alphabet N uppercase. Here, if you want to do this type of design, you can do this one. I'm going to do a little bit differently, but it's totally up to you. I'm going to erase and make it lighter. Now over here, I'm going down like a curvy and then coming like this. So I made it really big over here to show, but I will make it tiny ones. And then I will pull these ones up here. So for hand, we are going to think these are kind of long noodle type, you can say alphabet U. So suppose I have to start from here. I'm thinking it will go down and slightly up. So start from here, go down slightly and then up, and then go down again. So down, smiley face, sad face, and then turn like alphabet U, and from here again this is smiley, so under that it's going to be smiley. So smiley and smiley, here it's a sad face and then curve like a hand here, so alphabet U style. This hand we are thinking it will start from here and maybe here, so we can go all the way up and close to the ear, and maybe alphabet I'm adjusting right now, and then it will come like this. Now I'm going to fix this one. So this one not in the middle, a little bit go down here and go in and make it alphabet V. Alphabet V. This is not pointed, make it little bit curvy, soft curve here and soft curve here. Same thing we are going to do here. Alphabet V here, and then I'm going to make both of them soft. So this is going to be the thumb one, so it's going to be smaller, and this one is going to be the all fingers, so it's going to be a little bit longer and soft edges, not like pointy here. For the eyes, you can draw the way you really like it. If you want eyelashes, start from here and make it a smiley here, and then you can draw reflection here and here.